So my dad mentioned that he really likes these checkered cutting boards. So I'm making one for him. And for that I bought these two boards. The darker one is Acacia and this is Beechwood. So these boards are already pre-oiled and we don't want that. So first step is to sand them down and expose some of the unfinished wood. By the way, I paid 10 euros for each of these boards. Okay, so the next step is to cut this up into small pieces like that. I already tested it. So we have 26 of these small pieces that we can glue together so the end grain faces up. Okay, so now it's time to cut it up one more time, so we can get the checkered pattern. Okay, so it's time for gluing it up again. Okay, so planing is done. So I didn't were that careful with gluing it together, so it came out a little thinner than I hoped it would be. But that's alright, and now it's time for sanding. Okay, so now it's nice and smooth. Next I will straighten up the sides, and after that adding a little chamfer with the router. Alright, so everything's done. This board feels really good. It's sanded up to 320 grit. And now it's time to applying mineral oil. On this side I already did that yesterday. Because I'm using baby oil, which is way cheaper than mineral oil. This is basically mineral oil with some perfume. I let the sides dry overnight and it doesn't smell like baby oil anymore. Yeah, so now the other side. And and making sure everything is nice and soaked up.